Hi friends, here is the summary of last week AI trends and news. Hope you like it. Story 1. AI detects cancer with 94% accuracy. An AI tool called Chief has achieved nearly 94% accuracy in cancer detection and outperformed current AI approaches across 15 datasets containing 11 cancer types. Chief reads digital slides of tumor tissues, detects cancer cells, and predicts tumor molecular profiles with superior accuracy. It also forecasts patient survival and identifies features related to treatment response. The AI model is versatile and performs well regardless of biopsy or surgical excision methods and digitization techniques. Chief's adaptability makes it usable across different clinical settings, representing an important step beyond current models. Additionally, Chief successfully predicted patient survival based on tumor histopathology images and outperformed other models in various tasks such as cancer cell detection and tumor origin identification. Story 2. Stealth Startups, the secret to tech innovation. A stealth startup, also known as a stealth mode startup, is a company that keeps its products, services, and operations under wraps to gain a competitive advantage. This strategic approach allows companies to develop their ideas away from public scrutiny, reducing the risk of competitors stealing or piggybacking on their concepts. Stealth startups often operate on the cutting edge of technology and maintain a low profile, avoiding media attention and maintaining minimal online presence. They operate under temporary names and focus on perfecting their products in secrecy. Successful companies like SpaceX and LinkedIn have emerged from stealth mode, revolutionizing their respective industries. Stealth startups require discretion, agility, and strategic foresight. They are like secret labs where ideas are brewed and strategies are forged in utmost confidentiality. Examples of successful stealth startups include SpaceX, which developed groundbreaking rocket technology without public attention, and LinkedIn, which quietly created a platform for professional networking. Before its launch, these companies demonstrate the effectiveness of starting in stealth mode, allowing them to develop and perfect their products before entering the market as game changers. Story 3. Gemini 2.5 Pro, AI's new benchmark leader. Google's latest Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model has dominated AI benchmarks and reasoning tasks, surpassing previous models like 11 Grok 3 and OpenAI GTP 4.5 in LM Arena. Gemini 2.5 Pro LED. The overall ranking in areas such as hard prompts, coding math, creative writing instruction, following longer queries, and multi-turn answers. It also excelled in standardized benchmarks like AM LiveCode Bench, AER SWE Bench, and LeeQA. The model's advanced reasoning capabilities achieved through reinforcement learning and chain-of-thought prompting allow it to analyze complex problems logically before generating responses with a 1 million token context window, soon to be 2 million. Gemini 2.5 Pro can process vast datasets efficiently, making it ideal for handling intricate tasks and supporting sophisticated agents. It is now available in Google AI Studio for developers and enterprises to experiment with. Story 4. Heart AI, 9x faster image generation. Researchers at MIT and NVIDIA have developed Heart, a hybrid autoregressive transformer model that generates high-quality images faster than state-of-the-art diffusion models. Heart uses an autoregressive model to quickly capture the big picture and then a small diffusion model to refine details, resulting in images of similar quality but 9 times faster. This approach consumes fewer computational resources, enabling it to run on commercial laptops or smartphones. The tool has wide-ranging applications, including training robots for complex tasks and aiding designers in video games. The combination of autoregressive and diffusion models enhances image generation quality and efficiency, making it more compatible with unified vision language. Generative models' future applications include video GE narration and audio prediction tasks. That's all for now. Love and peace out, my friends. And please don't forget, smash the like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.